So I'm going to show you how to make no-sew panties. So you can make these soft, luxurious panties without a sewing machine. Let's get to it. First, you will need scissors, fabric, and heat and bond. I use the stretchy heat and bond right here, soft and stretch. But I think I'll use the ultra hold next time. So this material came from a skirt pre-COVID I wore. I had for some years. And it's time that I retire it and go shopping for some new clothes. This material is spandex and nylon. I got the ideal for making these type of panties from some panties I bought a few years ago from Tranquil and True, I believe that's the name brand. They use this heat and bond. I'm not sure if it's the same type, but I'm sure they use the stronger heat and bond. And I'm like, if they can do this, I can do this. Like, these panties are so freaking comfortable. You even forget you have them on. There are no bands that cut your thighs, that go across your back and irritate it. You should try these panties with nylon and spandex. Okay, let's get to it. So you just cut the heat and bond strips a little longer than your fabric, just in case you need more. You always want more than not enough because you can always cut it away. Just heat the iron, put pressure on there for a few seconds like I just did, and voila, it is bonded to the other piece of fabric. Now, I pinned each side before I ironed it. Next time I won't. I will just fold the fabric over and just iron it because pinning takes a while. And you could do 2 or 3 other projects by the time you pin the whole garment. See, I'm checking it. Like, this is crazy. Look, it stretches, and when you wash it, it doesn't, the glue doesn't come apart. All I need, this is the crotch area. You always want to get light cotton, light or white, because the dye cotton will give you a yeast infection or any other kind of infection. You always want to stick with lights on your crotch area. I chose gray because it matches the fabric better. Well, nobody will see it, but that's just the color I went with. Just cut the crotch area the same width as you would the panty. And you can measure your bridge with a measuring tape. A flimsy, flexible measuring tape to get the right size of the cotton liner. And I'm just bonding the sides together. See how quick this is? Watch this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Voila. And you see the extra half? Just cut that off. And my panty is done. My panty is done. My panty is done. When I draw up my pattern for the bra, I'm going to show you how I make a no-sew bra using the same materials and the same technique. See you soon. Show me your no-sew panty once you make it. I would love to see what you guys came up with. Until next time.